Welcome to the Diary of an Abused Father. In today's journal entry, we're going to be talking about the family court and some of the mistakes that a lot of fathers make in family court, being reactive, and this sometimes just making poor decisions and not wise ones. So in today's video, I want to cover the 3 big mistakes that most fathers make in family court. And I hope this video helps somebody out there to not make these mistakes and to keep and protect their relationship with their children. Let's get into it.
You can be the best father in the world, but if you walk into that courtroom and make just one of these 3 mistakes, none of that matters.
The family court doesn't see your heart. They see your behavior and your evidence. Mistake number 1, falling for reactive abuse. The number 1 mistake is reacting to the provocation. Your ex knows exactly which buttons to push to make you angry. They want you to yell, to send a mean text, or to lose your cool at an exchange. Why? Because then they can take that one moment to the judge and say, see, he's unstable. The fix. You have to realize that every interaction is being recorded or monitored. Treat every text like a judge is reading it over your shoulder. When they go low, you stay silent. Don't give them the angry man narrative that they're looking for. Mistake number 2, the he said, she said trap. Mistake number 2 is walking into the court with feelings instead of facts. Telling a judge, she never lets me see the kids, is a feeling. The fix. You need a log. On March 12th, per the court order, I arrived at 5 p.m. The mother refused the exchange. Here's a screenshot of the text I sent at 5:15 p.m. Judges love data. They hate drama. If you don't have it written down with a timestamp, in the eyes of the court, it didn't happen. Start your documentation journal today. Mistake number 3, fighting for justice instead of best interests. This is a hard one. You want the judge to see how much she lied or how much she hurt you. But family court isn't about justice for the parents. It's about the best interests of the child. If you spend your 10 minutes of fame bashing your ex, the judge sees a bitter man. The fix. Focus 100% on the kids. Talk about their school, their health, and their need for a relationship with both parents. When you show the judge that you are the parent who supports the child's bond with the other side, even when they don't deserve it, you become the favorite parent in the court's eyes. Now, these tips are not a promise for success, but these are the best practices that I have personally seen work in the family court system. But keep in mind on number 3 here that the judges and commissioners in most family courts, they will totally allow the mothers to be emotional and to speak out of turn. But when you do that as a male, as a man, as a father, then you will be penalized. You could even be held in contempt. So just make sure you just stay calm, cool, and collective and focus on the best interests of your children. Remember, family court is a marathon, it's not a sprint. So don't let temporary emotion ruin your long-term goals. Have you ever felt like you were being baited into an argument right before your court date? Tell me your story in the comments. We share our experiences and learn from each other here on this channel. Check the description for my documentation checklist and hit subscribe to stay equipped. Stay focused, dads, and I'll see you in the next one.